Ki nongialehkai na ki khatway tali ki district ka Jylla rengkat ka West Giant Hills ka wala penlong ya ka 6th Meghalaya Games kila 1 poi haka khat khandai tarik kala lingkot hamadan latmu kla jawai ban penkre Asian mentah haka ni ka Lumpung. La pediang snobha yaki haka jaka pediang snobha dau MLA kathan ubadairu uchairman kamuda uma wailat miki Syllad u deputy commissioner ba BS Solia IS ka additional deputy commissioner ka kaun diviling do bat kinong penyat kila don lang haka tai ka jaka ban pe ya kejing penbet bat ban penti kenawa baro kan don haka jaka u wailat miki Syllad upen seluruh ya kinong syong jongka West Giant Hills District ban pediang burom bat ban kershan ya kinong nongialehkai haka por bakidon hapo ke district. Kato ni na kinong nongialehkai kila penpau ya ke jingkemen bat jing sngohun halor ke jing penbet ya ke ni kakam. Bun kila sngongu ya ke jing pediang snobha bat ke jing penkrek kabala penbet bha haka jaka pediang snobha.
We are the future, we are the stars. We'll fight till the end, cause that's who we are. We won't back down and we won't give up. We're striving forward and we'll reach to the top.
Ngas nyau komen ni wato wa ni một maximum ki ro hi na ki game wato which ki athletes wato which menta maximum hi the point hado kaman katte for almost 50-60% the point the yo hado kaman katte nyau komen yo to teman ga lai bai but yo luki hale wa hagini kisngi ko da wan le bang man ko lai bai henry nga ka pi le na yang yo nga yaki athletes ki wan bat kham tam yaki dong chong chnong yong ka West Giant bat kham tam yak chnong jwa hi ro wa i ne liang yong i umani ki ru ki wa liang dong yaki ni ko wan chini ne ba em ni tadi ki ni ki perlo kam nagar hills ki wa yu ong boy dang ani ka first time ko wan gi em gi pli ki tip ya ga thao bhao ya ki jing em kam bon na yu ti kam ki nong chong chnong yang chnong jwa hi ro bi ko mani ki wa liang buron bat ki rap yakini ki players ki wan chini thao ni. So today actually as you can see that today all the athletes all over the state has arrived for the 6th Meghalaya game. We from our end since from the very beginning we have tried our level best to especially with the infrastructure with all the requirement. So we have tried from our end and as of today I am very happy to see that all the thing is going smoothly and at the same time I like to urge all the participants especially to please don't look for any negative because just look for the positive side aspect of this because the Meghalaya government have spent so much for them. So and I urge the citizen, especially the citizen of West Giant Hills and particularly the citizen of Jylla to be most welcoming and to help the athletes and the players because most of them will be, I think, will be visiting for the first time, first time here in Jylla. So I hope that they will help them in any aspect during either during the game or either the other time which they will be visiting the many venues, the accommodation venues and the game venues. So almost all the district have arrived, but actually they have come according to the discipline. So many let's say many discipline have come, but there are few discipline who are yet to arrive.
Kong nisha kwa ban batai pi pangkani ka reception area kani ketika reception area hangni po mukhla hangni ketika jaka bar khoi ki nongialehkai ki noi simenta na borok art district ki wan hangni bar hangni kedi keji kenduk lang jong par khoi ki nongialehkai ki ba ngi pdiang subhai ki keji pdiang subhai ki ka long lengba kawe ka muffler bar kumju ru kawe ka bag bangi ai subhan ka lang jong ka district jungi bar kumju ru hangni masun poi na ki keling jong ka district ki yo ya ka welcome kit jongki bar kumju ru ni facility iki nang ne pade pelapoi hangni ni saphai ki sha ki accommodation venues but ki competition venues repair kata hangni po Western Hills district ngila phya ki sha ka north cluster south cluster but YJR cluster nang ni phai ki shate but nalapoi shate pade ki participants sungi kin sa active accommodation venues but ki jakai lekai ki belong ki jan bhanak ki jakasa juki
think people go to Karwa Jylla Mr. White National Games Yoga Gymnastic First time recommend
What is your name?
from Syndrome.
Where do you stay?
I stay in Jylla.
Why are you here? Which game are you participating?
Gymnastic.
How do you prepare yourself? Did you practice well? Tell us.
Yes.
How many hours do you practice?
5.
5. You will win medal for this?
Yes.
Gathering here to represent Meghalaya Games. So we are from gymnastics and we have a lot of students now. And I've participated in Gujarat and Kolkata some nationals, and we are also going to participate our first national school games for the upcoming in Kolkata after this Meghalaya Games. And the preparation of us is good, and we hope that we win some medal and we get some more motivations. And I guess everyone has prepare well, and that's that.
Ni ko eng ang ibita kan ba bula pun su ini haga diga chaka tingi kini ki phi kini khina paro kha ke badan hangien kidi na ka team gymnastic chungka East Khasi Hill district ye ka ni phi do hangi babun ni kedan kini ki khina ke badan de kidi ba 5 6 years 7 years 8 years but kini baro ki hap ko mini category kidan ngidan hadu kana mini category ngidan sub junior ngidan junior baki seniors kita na playing chunki ki bula one sim menta ha palo ki bin khale ka 4th ka 5th mi khale games dan ke blang shu sedam mo ki khamtam kini ki darat li bun hinga di blang shu sedam ka gymnastic hi di ka chingi le ka ka ban ha ban yo be ki khana na du kidang ki ba kidang khlong na mabli kidang la ban le ka ba na mabli kidang flexible mo ti nang ta de ni ha ka ka jingwan ka chungi shakane ka 6 mi khale games ni la pan khrea ta da la no system ni na pan khrea one matang step kan ka 15 kini games ni la one man practice biang kin na one min kan practice de kala lo ka chapin khrea hi na kan ta chumi paroshi slim de ni long badan bak dok ta ba ni ma bon kini ki khana ki ba don ka ching e ka gymnastic ban one join no amar bon na ki ki party kim na khamsha ban one join ka gymnastic mo ndai min tai ni ki pa chumi ka saman su tho mo isto baka kisto ya ka interest jung ki khon kan hakanuka discipline bekin nai kini par khai ki kita ki bala ji ida la mon jung ki one join ka gymnastic but kita don interest ru din kata daw ki support ka do ka sri ka minta ting aku muka competition manager ka juga por ka coach gymnastic ting aku blade dia ka MSOA ka bala island ka bala tingi bangin one management ta ka 6 mi khale games ka plong ka juai but ni sungu yakin ki nong pinya na ni mo baro khai blok dia so bhai ni ha ka jaka
Sebastian Marbo dari Iwan district East Khasi Hills di disiplin sungi ketika athletics ni kemen ba ni yo man kani kalempung ka bahe mo ka 6 Meghalaya Games mentah ka perba penong ka West Jylla Hills di ni kimi inti ba ini yo ka jingjok
wa ini ngilak pringkrep ha bangin wan sekali kalempuk
dia mentang menyalam di kena nak is ke sihel tangi don kembasi katsan ngot na is te mata kecing pekrek ni kalau mau internet kadi ka first time ini ke ba ngi nak kalian kamu thai ngi dang syu orang mata kami kala games ngi scam ba ngi dang yo syu sikmat ngi ambon syu kena ke kham tebet ba kadi ke sin ben kong nak kalian jungi te ngi dak sotanat kecing pedang burom sini ngi kena gila yo back tinggal aja sultanat menur 4 cio kadai mentah sian ngidang yawan begini te ngilai kemen hi expect but next year kham bahas syuk man kani
nengkong te ka jipun krep te kadai we jangi tengila krep ha te dan yang pringji ki baya kat wet te kidang jing jikat wet tang bang la ya krep dak ba bhai te mang sngi ya practice BR session ban te Krimen ba ingin saya job dengan Meghalaya Games.
Hi nikong chate ikblai ke sarkar mau pedang buram ke I kamu dioi kata ani ga jur kom pedang buram ki man ko da sukses hi te ikblai ki woro hi tim yang sarkar ma te do ite dan
tim bekret ne liang yang I ki amsling ambai kat ne liang yang asemen tanga ambai da prepare bhai te yulti neni na ki amsling yang ini ni pra amsling yulti yo I worohi tangwa I jingile wan he jingjop irem te kamju le berkat u blau I wanado wa ni step hadu kani kentau kat ni te yo ong te ya penebok nasib I pra amsling kamju le ya pra vesentiai yo kui seperang kamju le neni yo sedang yo boy cha cewi thau te keblai cibon
kam nga bertu yo dulang dhar ke ba disiplin yang I tok boxing te I na ga Western Tia Boxing Association I de kre kam kat uye lai uto kamon wile yo boy kamat yo I boy chikte thong kam ong yo gold medal I kermange te kat uye la te ngai on perdi yang I ya suddenly gold medal te dia we te igu dang sa on the new tip kan de pakrai jingi la yang I te duite la ni